Hey everyone, welcome to Aastha's Makeup Closet where we wake up and make up for 30 and up. Today is an all vegan makeup look using vegan brushes and vegan makeup and everything vegan. So this look was highly requested by a friend of mine who is vegan herself, and she wanted to know her options in makeup and she wanted to know how the products perform. So if you do like this look, which I love, please do keep on watching. This is the final look. I had a lot of fun creating this. I think my line is a little long, but you know, for hooded eyes, but it's okay. And I had an absolute blast doing this makeup. I loved the new palettes that I got from Nomad Cosmetics, and my new liners from Novena and everything. It was so much fun, and I was quite surprised to know that I have a lot of vegan makeup. I wouldn't say all of my products are like that, but I'm very happy to say that a lot of them are like that. Slowly, gradually, step by step, I hope to have an all vegan, all cruelty free collection. Um, Other than that, if you like my content and you like this look, do like, subscribe, and please do leave me a comment, because I love to hear from you guys and I want to know exactly what you want to see next and how you felt about this look, and so that you know I can just keep making content that gets better and better, and you know, content that you would like to see. So please do leave a comment and do like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. This is me signing off, and I hope you're all keeping safe. Take care. Bye bye.